know.
Wait, I can't tell if I'm in focus. Okay. Hi guys, it's Melanie, and today I have...
Hi, Mom.
This is my mom. Super excited about this video because it's something I haven't really tried before, and it's a little outside of my comfort zone, I guess. So what we did for this week, do you want to tell them?
I picked out outfits for Melanie to wear every day.
So I kind of vlogged just a tiny bit to show you guys that I actually did wear the outfits. I just had my mom come into my room every morning and pick out my outfit for me. And if you guys want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching and we'll get straight into it. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Sorry, I look not the best right now, but today we have a pretty fun video. It's a little different from what I usually do. The other day I had a kind of interesting video idea. What I'm going to be showing you guys today is letting my mom pick my outfits for a whole week. 5 days, not a whole week, I guess. So not to mention that this is my first week of school, new quarter, so hopefully she doesn't dress me all like ham and crazy and I'm going to school and people are gonna be like, what is this girl doing? I'm gonna go ask her right now because I haven't asked her yet, but I'm hoping she'll be down to do it. She probably will. My mom has pretty good style, I would say, so we're hoping for the best. So let's go ask my mom. Let's go see her. Hey Mom. Can you help me with the video?
What?
I want to let you pick my outfits for a week.
Wow, nice.
You want to do it? Will you do it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's go. Alrighty. Fine. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's supposed to be real.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, go ahead.
You look really gross.
It's okay. You look cute. So today we're going to the mall.
Positive.
Thank you. And it's pretty nice out. You can pick anything.
And what's the weather gonna be like?
High 60s, but kind of cloudy.
Can I just pick only today's outfit?
Oh yeah. Every day you're gonna come in here and choose. What? I need help.
Really? Oh, nice. No, I don't know. It's so hard to pick. And then what do you have for, where are your pants?
These are all my pants. Oh, hi Russell. Hey Russell. Hey sweetie, you're so cute.
That's really I have to pick this.
Hollister jeans. Do you want to accessorize?
Is this it's too early for white pants?
It's up to you. And then shoes. What's your pick? Alrighty. I'll see you when my outfit's on.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey guys, so here's the first outfit. Honestly, if she keeps this up, this is literally better than I dress myself. Thanks, Mom. I actually really like this. I like that she gave me white jeans because I have these, but I never wear them because I'm super clumsy and I'm really scared I'm gonna stain them. This is the first outfit. My top is Brandy, necklace is Forever 21, jeans are Hollister, and shoes are just some white Vans. So let's go show my mom and get her reaction. This is the outfit.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I didn't even know they had rips in the knees and all that. That looks really cute.
Thanks. You did a good job. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna focus this on the eye.
Hello, it's day 2. My mom's picking my outfit out. I'm really sick, so I'm probably not gonna go out other than like walking my dog, but still gonna dress up a little bit. Otherwise, I'd just be wearing. So, what are you thinking for the outfit today, Mom?
Well, you're not feeling so well, so I want you to be comfy.
She's so thoughtful. Thanks, Mom.
I'm so thoughtful. I'll try. I'm trying my best. I want you to be comfy. And it's still sunny out. This is cute. Well, yeah, I don't want to make you get all dressed up. I was going to, but if you're not feeling well, you want to be comfy.
Oh, it's so nice.
I'm so bad at this.
No, you're not. I feel like everything in my closet is cute, so.
It's true, it is. Okay, so it's very simple today. There's these pants. You still want an accessory? It just has a little shell. And I would pick out these shoes. Do these still fit you?
This is what she picked out.
Kind of like just a comfy beach shoe. She's gonna walk the dog.
Love walking the dog. Alright guys, so here's outfit. Day 2, I really like everything on top. I just wouldn't wear these shoes. Like if I made this outfit, this is definitely something I would pick out, but I would just wear like Birks or sandals with it. Definitely wouldn't wear jeans on a day that I am not going out. This necklace was a DIY. Shirt is from PacSun. These jeans are Garage, and then I'm wearing Superstars. You guys probably thought these were dead because nobody wears Superstars anymore, but they're honestly the comfiest shoes ever. So I wear them when I go like hiking or camping or like bumming it. If I wore these to school, I'd probably get roasted because people would be like, 8th grade Melanie, is that you? Because a phase. Let's go show my mom. All right, Mom, what do you think?
Yeah, you look real cute. I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah. What do you think? Good job.
Good job, Mom. Yesterday, so we went to the mall together and I was wearing the outfit and the whole day she just kept complimenting. And she also loves pink, so she keeps dressing me in pink. So Mom's going to work and I'm gonna walk my dog and edit. So that's the outfit for today and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Hey y'all, I made my debut and I'm wearing my outfit. I actually went out today, so go me. Hello, it is day 3. My mommy's picking my outfit again. Today is the first day of school. I have to look kind of decent, you know? Hello.
Hi.
What are you thinking for the outfit today?
Today I'm starting with accessories and other stuff first because I know you're going to school. It's your first day. Shoes and this bag. Your Pandora bracelet that has rose gold and a rose gold ring.
Dang,
and,
you're stepping up your game.
Yeah. Well, it's because you're going out. Wow. So long that I would have picked something like a light sweater type just to cover. What do you have for pants?
All the pants are down
You
there.
have not with these boots.
Ow.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh my goodness, it's been rolling this whole time.
Yeah.
Anyways, I thank everyone for supporting Melanie. I love, with Melanie's friends, her friends that I see, I love them like they're my own children. I that you are not. So thank you so much for supporting.
Wait, why'd you say that? That's so random.
No, I just think that you guys are great. Are you sure? Gosh, your neck is tiny. That's
It's a choker.
You might not need a necklace today.
Okay, I'll try it on and then I'll show you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so here's the outfit for day 3. My first day of school. Way cuter than something I would have put together. Cool, man. Thanks, Mom. I look really businessy. Like I'm trying in life. This top is from Garage. Cardigan is from Forever 21. This purse is from Marshalls. My mom was so funny. I had my backpack all packed for today. She like knows she's picking out my outfits this week. So she came upstairs with my purse and I was like, oh, that's my purse, you know, like that's not yours, because I thought she got it mixed up because we have like similar purses. And she's like, oh, I know you're wearing this today. And I was like, oh, okay, Mom. Jeans are from Aeropostale and shoes are from Zoo Shoe. My Pandora bracelet. So yeah, let's go show my mom. Mom, ready to see the outfit?
Oh, you look nice.
Thank you.
I think it looks really strange not just to have skin and then your boot. So I tucked your jeans, I unrolled your jeans at the bottom.
She said, make sure to mention that in your video. Good job.
Okay, have a good day at school.
Thanks, have a good day at work.
Love you.
Love you too. Hello. Good morning. It's day 4. My mom's picking my outfit. Looks like she's going for something kind of fancy with the booties.
Yeah, early in the week I like this top. Oh, these are ripped, huh? Is that? Okay, I picked these ones. And then
Wait, do you want me to wear denim on denim?
why is that weird?
No, it's up to you.
Okay, honey, you're done. I think it's the boots.
Boots?
Yeah, again.
Okay, I'll try it on and I'll show you. Oh gosh, okay. This is where it goes wrong. To start off the outfit, like the base of it isn't that bad. This top is cute, jeans are cute, shoes are fine. I wouldn't pair a long necklace like this with a choker shirt, turtleneck shirt, just because I think it looks kind of wonky. And then to top it off, she put a denim jacket on top. I don't know if it's because that was like style back in the day or something, but yeah, I wouldn't wear this. Nonetheless, this jacket is from Princess Polly. I almost said Polly Pockets, guys. I'm still so sick. This top is from Zaful. This necklace is from Forever 21. Style's not really in anymore. Jeans are from PacSun. And then these shoes are from Forever 21. You know, I'm gonna be unbiased and I'm gonna show my mom my outfit and see what she thinks. Ready, Mom?
Okay, it looks different than I imagined.
You don't think I pull it off?
Fine, maybe if you had different jeans, but they both seem to be like ditch the jacket and change the jeans.
You know that photo of Will Ferrell where he's like,
no.
You don't have to do this step. My mom doesn't like my puffy jeans, which are called mom jeans, by the way.
I like it.
Oh, okay. She really doesn't like it when I cuff my jeans, apparently.
They need to be tucked into your boots.
Okay, so here's the revised outfit. Really hope she doesn't make me change again because I hate changing. But these are just the same Aeropostale jeans from yesterday. Took off the jacket. Okay, Mom, ready to see?
Oh yes, you look much better.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you look good, man.
Ah, thanks. Yeah, you did. What do you think, Russell? This is the picture I meant earlier.
Oh, wow, that's even different.
Yeah, that's what you were doing.
No, that he's more like he's like
What?
like that.
Hello, it is, don't mind I have like half of an eyebrow on. Day 5 of this outfit choosing. My mom came in here prepared. She came in here and laid out all this stuff, so.
Hi.
Why does your voice go high like that?
I don't know. You're going to work. It's just a simple, sporty look. Comfy to wear today. I brought hats. And I'd like you to wear a ponytail. Here you go. You already wore these, the Nikes. And the necklace is on your bed.
Okay, here is the outfit. Kind of, yeah. Not something that I would pick out for myself. I would probably wear to work out or something. I definitely wouldn't wear this hat. I think I look stupid in it. Yeah, and she also said I had to wear a ponytail, so that's what's happening here. Hat is hers, Adidas. I'm wearing this cross necklace she picked out. Shirt is from Brandy. Leggings are Lululemon aligned. Thank goodness she had me wear leggings finally because I wore jeans this whole week and I'm sick of it. And then the shoes are Nike, like free run. Hi, what do you think?
Yeah, I don't know, maybe the ponytail. Maybe you don't need the hat. I like it when you do the high ponytail.
There's no hole.
I know, sorry.
Do you want?
I don't know.
What do you think?
No hat. No hat.
No hat?
No hat. No hat.
That was the last day. Good job.
Thanks.
Yay. Hi guys, I got sushi. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome.
And oh, this lighting's terrible. We're on our way to a church concert. We're going to Elevation Worship. So wearing my outfit, another jacket on because I'm freaking cold.
Like, what? What do you mean? So good.
What's that sign say, Mom?
We look me. We look
Hey guys, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below which outfit you like the most and if you think my mom did a good job or not picking out my outfit. You think you did a good job?
Certain days.
Which one was your favorite?
Monday and Wednesday, Thursday.
So if you guys want to see more videos with my mom or if you want to be in more videos, you like it?
I love your friends.
If you guys want to see more videos where I let other people pick my outfits or more videos with my mom or my family, make sure to let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, anything to add?
Bye. Love you.
Love you guys. Bye.